So, hello guys, my name is Emma and welcome to my kitty channel. So, today, ginaya ko na lang si Playfell kasi bigla ko nakita, gagayahin natin yung bald.
Would you rather have a random hairstyle or be entirely bald?
Bald or hindi bald? Malamang, hindi bald.
Look at this dude. Look at his hair.
Ang ganda. Balito sa akin. Bilong
Would you rather be
or
way
be
too tall
small?
or be too short?
Be small. I think small ako. Kasi gusto mo maging small, ang cute talaga pag small ako. Pero pag napalit yung outfit ko, period. Mayaman yun eh. Nabawal pala ako, guys. Bakit ba? Ayoko maging egg. Babae naman ako.
Or be an egg for 15
Buti
seconds?
lang hindi ako lala. Okay. Hashtag mo talaga, no? 50. Bakit may ganun, bastos? I want to save the cookie, guys. I don't like baby. Bro, I don't like baby.
Would you rather save the babies or save the cookie?
Ang sarap. I think I save the baby kasi kawawa naman. Tumatan pa rin yung mga baby. Ayun. Oh. Saan na to? Nalilito ba ako? Guys, help. Nalilito na ba ako? Nalilito ba ako? Ano to? Oh. Naglalag-ato ako. Sundan natin siya. Save the cookie. Bro, faster bro. Naliligaw. I think... Wait, manahimik ka. So, mag-restart. Mag-restart muna tayo.
Gusto na?
Pero wala pa din. Ayun! Ayun, guys! Naulit ako. So, punta nga tayo sa umpisa. Wait lang. Maglilibo na ako. Send right. Oh no. Open never. Pangalan ng game. Ito yung pangalan. Search nyo na lang. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan po yung pangalan ng game. So, pop! Mag-aano na tayo, guys. Si Playfell. Nilaro to ni Playfell yun. Napanood ko. Nakasubscribe ako sa kanya. Naka-like all. Ginawa ko na sa kanya. Sige, you should be here or you should
Would
be
you rather have a
bald.
random hairstyle or be entirely bald?
Guys, di ba po, ayoko piliin yung bald. Di,
Look at this dude. Look at his hair.
sasapakan ka. You want to be tall, you want to be small. Small.
Would you rather be way too tall or be too short?
Kasi tinaray ni Playfell yung small, so small tayo. Ang cute kasi pag small. Parang, doding daga. Hindi siya doding daga. I think parang egg nag-scammer. Palda tayo, no? Team
Would you rather wear
Palda.
a tutu or be an egg for 15 seconds?
Bro, nakahanang! VIP? VIP, okay. Bawal, ayoko sa... Hala, naging itlog! Ano kaya lalabas sa itlog? Mystery. Ala! Isang
Would you rather
ihe!
save the babies or
Guys,
save
parang
the
magiging
cookie?
yung baby parang doding like that. Pero guys, try naman natin yung cookies. Wala akong pa sa baby, no? Cookies ako syempre. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Ay, alam ko na to. Ayoko to.
Would you rather have one Robux beggar or have 5 Robux beggars?
Ayoko burgers. Madaming bata. Isa lang.
Don't ignore me now. I'm going to get angry. Can I have some Robux, please?
No, no,
Just 5
please.
Robux.
No.
Come on, bro.
Ito na.
I want to buy a new avatar.
paano
I
ba
have
ito?
some Robux, please?
Would you rather have a burger,
Manahimik ka!
freeze,
Buy a new avatar.
Ay, the VIP.
Ah!
Basta
Come on, don't be a brokey.
Kumain ka na lang ng
Ignore me
pagkain.
now.
Gusto mo
I'm
atang
going
sa
to get
pagkain.
angry. Can I have some Robux, please?
No! No, 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 no!
Avatar. Now! Ah!
Sige,
Come
sasapak.
on, don't be a brokey.
No,
Don't ignore
no,
me now.
haha.
I'm going to get angry. Can I have some Robux?
would you rather save
6, 7.
6, 7,
Avatar.
Huwag kasi. Sige, papatayin kita.
Don't ignore me now. I'm going to get angry.
Sana wala na lang
Can
itong
I have
babae
some
to.
Robux,
Ayoko to.
please?
Ayoko tong
Just
level na
5
to.
Robux. Come on, bro.
Burger,
I wanna
guys.
buy a new
Burger.
avatar.
Team
would you
burger.
rather eat cheeseburger
Come on.
or be stuck in detention?
Oh, hi. Welcome to my schoolhouse.
Alam ko yan, habulin ka dyan.
Just 5 Robux. Come on, bro.
Bakit ko sa'yo?
Cheeseburger, please.
Hay, sa wakas wala na din yung babae, guys. Kasi ang kukulit niya. Can you have peach Robux? Can you
Would you rather own an annoying chicken or own an annoying cow?
I think chicken. Kasi ang cute ng chicken. Uy. Ang cute. Pwede kitang ulamin. Hindi, bro. Ang cute ng chicken. Sinusundan tayo parang ako. Ang cute ng chicken. Asan yung chicken? Wag mo ko sakayan.
Would you rather be an e-girl or shrink down 75%?
Magiging girl tayo, guys, kasi gusto ko magiging girl. Oh my God! Ang ganda! Gusto ko black and white lang, guys. Black, white in your area. Bro! Please! Ako yun, Pete.
Would you rather sound like a boy or sound like a girl?
Guys, bakit may mga VIP? VIP ba tayo?
Try typing in chat to hear your voice.
Try natin hi. Hi. Ay, try natin I love you. Oh. Ano ulit yun? I love. Ah? Ano ulit mauna doon? Wait lang. Paano na? Mauna sa I love you? Ano ulit mauna sa I love you? Sa next ng ano, L? E? Or V? Ay, oo. V ba? Sa I love you? Ano kasi? I love you. Tapos, i-spell ko. Halimbawa, spell ko, ano? Ito, oh. Ano eh, kasi, hindi ko, ano eh, may ano, yung, tapos ng, O. Okay, naalala ko na. Ha? Yung baka mo. G-E. Okay, alam ko na. Alam lang ako. Kasi, bro, combo. Ano lang, sana.
ILO.
ILO. Wait lang, isa pa. Na-send ko eh. ILO. Try natin. Hello. Try natin.
Yeah.
Try natin. Ha. Sino yung H? Kalimutan ko yung H. Sino? I forgot! H. Ito. Go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, send.
Haha.
Haha. Next. Pass. I love you. Check natin yung boses niya pag I love you. Isa pa. Bibilisan ko na, guys. Ano ulit yun? I love you. Okay. V. Isa yung E. Shut up, girl. E. Space. Tapos, please, hindi siya mag-ano. Bro! Basta babae tayo. Sana hindi to. Bro, ang liit mo. Bro, sobrang liit niya, guys. Bro, sobrang liit niya, no? Nani?
Would you rather have banana arms or banana legs?
I think banana arms.
Banana!
Naiinis ako sa sarili ko. Oh my. Ay, alam ko na yan yung VIP na naman.
Would you rather have a homeless man follow you or have a
Tingnan mo may
crying
VIP
baby
dyan na
follow you?
lalabas. Ay, wala pala. Try natin yung baby, guys. Gugu gaga.
Would you rather be fat or be skinny? Would you rather be fat or be skinny? Would you rather watch the duck song or complete an obby?
Parang wala naman. Six, seven. Guys, sa 6'7". Ay, angel ako dyan,
Would you
angel.
rather grow dragon wings or grow angel wings?
Angel wings. Ay, nagbago yung avatar ko, guys.
Would you rather brain rot rain or taco rain?
Kasi mahilig kami maglaro sa
It's raining tacos.
Wala.
The sky. Tacos. No need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes.
It's raining tacos. I want more, bro. It's raining tacos. You want to be noob or...
Would you rather save a noob? Save a bacon.
Ay, alam ko na, guys. Alam ko kung sino isi-save. Ito si ano. Wow, baklata! Okay. Ano to? 73. Guys, hindi po ako Englishera. I'm not Englishera.
Would you rather be rich or be famous?
Famous malamang. Famous ako.
One more
Smile for the fans.
Give us a look.
Smile for the fans. Smile for the cover.
Hi. Maglalagay tayo ng hi.
One more for the cover.
Smile for the fans.
Over here. One more for the cover. Give us a look. One more for the cover.
Hi,
Smile for the fans.
One more for the cover. One more
Smile for the fans. Smile for the fans.
Over here.
Smile for the fans.
Over here.
Smile for the fans. Smile for the fans.
Over here. One more. Give us a look. One more for the cover. One more for the cover.
Smile for the fans.
Over here. Give us a look.
Smile for the fans.
Over here.
Smile for the fans.
One more for the cover.
Smile for the fans.
One more for the cover. Give us a look.
Smile for the fans. Smile for the fans.
One more for the cover.
Meron siyang
Smile for the fans.
babay na. Ingay nila guys. Nandito tayo. Yung bayo mo fans, bayo mo fans. Ayoko na maging fans. Gusto ko lang. VIP, dati kayo.
Would you rather be BFFs with a bacon or be BFFs with a noob? Would you rather be BFFs with a bacon or be BFFs with a noob?
Bacon.
Bestie, best friend, BFF for life. Let's hang out today and forever. Hey, bestie, you are my best friend. B-E-S-T-I-E, bestie. Hey, bestie, wanna play? Wanna play today?
Would you rather walk on Legos
You and me sitting in a
or
tree
walk
as
on
happy as
hot
best
Ate,
friends
join
can
ka.
be. Bestie, best friend, BFF for life. Let's hang out today and forever. Hey, bestie, you are my best
Manahimik
friend.
ka!
B-E-S-T-I-E, bestie. Hey, bestie. Hey, wanna play today?
I don't like to be you,
You and me
bestie.
sitting in a tree as happy as best friends can be. Bestie, best friend,
Ano yung
BFF
shortcut?
for life.
Mag-shortcut
Let's
tayo.
hang out today and forever. Hey, bestie, you
Hindi
are
tayo nasaktan.
Would you rather listen to jazz music or listen to elevator music?
Sorry ko, elevator. Sounds like good.
Would you rather like the game or make all the devs cry? We'll be watching. They will cry if you don't like it. Like the game. Like it.
Pakalike na nga ako eh.
Would you rather smash a glass bottle on your head or get stuck in the void for 20 seconds?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my god. Help.
Would you rather like the game or make all the devs cry?
Naulit tayo.
We'll be watching. They will cry if you don't like it. Like the game. Like it.
Wag na lang, basagin na lang natin yung ulo natin. Wag na, na-try na natin.
Would you rather smash a glass bottle on your head or get stuck in the void?
Basagin na lang
20
natin yung
seconds?
ulo natin. Sige, mas kila ka po. Hindi ako natamaan. Pasnaya ko yun. Hello, friend.
Would you rather save your first friend or save your second friend?
Ay, ganito yung friend ko dati, yung si Zoe. Please. Wag ito, guys. Wag ito. Nakakahilo lang. Guys, matatapos ba to, guys? Agay pa
Would you rather eat Brussels sprouts or eat baked beans?
What is this? Hala, ice cream. Masarap yan. Masiligaw sa mga asin. Ay, ang asin. May Robux kaya natin? Ay, naku na yun. I eat some.
Would you rather be able to crawl or run super fast?
Uy, malamang run super fast. Ano kagin? Hey, Daddy. Bakit ba ako nagiganto naglalag? Yung ano ko. I eat me biting. Mabilis tayo guys, so Obi Master. Obi Master daw ako, sabi niya. Siyempre. Oo talaga guys. Obi Master. O diba? Ngayon makayak. Yung mga...
Would you rather be able to crawl
Ayun lang pala
Run
guys.
super
Bye-bye.
fast.
Nangangati na ako.